Now let me clarify something. If the project demands you work at a specific size, a specific image size and resolution, in this case 500 pixels by 500 pixels, and I'm viewing this at actual size, it's somewhere up here. Actual size, Command 1 for 100%. Look, and then 200% is just, you hit Command plus and it jumps there. That's what I did. I hit Command plus, and this is 200% of actual size. This is a Retina display. It's 5120 pixels across. So this is 4 times the resolution of all the computers in the room. So for demonstration purposes, I need this bigger. I'm going to go back to actual size, Command 1, and then show you the image size dialog box. It's Option Command I, image size, right here. Option Command I. This is Photoshop's, and yours is going to open up like this. Okay? You might as well take advantage of a larger screen so you can see what's going on. Just click this green button, and now we can see what's going on. Well, we could always see, but now if our image is larger, we're not seeing a little version of it. Okay, so width and height. I go ahead and with this lock, see this little lock icon? If this is locked, if it's unlocked, if I change one, the other one doesn't change. If it's locked, the aspect ratio, the relationship of width to height stays the same. That's what we want. I'm going to go to 2000 pixels. Now that is pretty good for a size. I can work with that at 100%. We can all see what I'm doing. Okay, this is going to be larger on your screen because you have 1/4 the real estate that I do. But here's the important part: the resample. Yours probably says automatic. Where is yours? Probably says automatic. None of the presets, even back in preferences, will mention Preserve Details 2.0. This is the new, well, Adobe's calling it artificial intelligence, but they're really smart algorithms. They're very agile, and they will change depending upon the collections of pixels that the algorithm identifies. Preserve Details 2.0 is the sweet spot as far as I'm concerned. Just crank reduce noise all the way up. We can fine tune this later when it gets to the continuous tone, things that people know what they're looking at. When it's a picture of a house or a tree or a person, we know what it's supposed to look like. When it's some graphic, we don't know what it's supposed to look like. We know color, form, composition to some degree. Hey, there's something wrong with that. I don't know what it is, but something bugs me. That's the part of you judging what's there based upon your prior knowledge of design. And all of you have seen more design than any human beings your age in history because you've been just exposed to it on your devices, on computers, TV, the movies. Everywhere you go, signage, you have been exposed to more graphics than anybody in history. So congratulations, you're an all-star. So right now, 2000 pixels, 72 is just fine. Preserve Details 2.0, not just Preserve Details, okay? Preserve Details 2.0 and 100% for right now. Click OK. Now, because these were smart objects, we could have used anything and it would have worked. But now the image size dialog box is ready for us. And I'm going to move this. I'm going to hit F twice. You're probably in this screen mode here. If you want to mimic me, you can hit F one more time. But right now, as we have this at 2000, let's save this. So Command S, okay? And why is it untitled? How come it didn't pick up our Avatar 02? And then we want to go into Documents, and then want to be in column view. Go down to Photoshop. There it is. and save our PSD in our Photoshop file that we created back in the Finder. If you don't have that folder, it means you didn't pay attention. And it's probably not the only thing you didn't pay attention to, and you're heading for trouble. Go back, do those things again, and actually pay attention this time. Okay? Again, Photoshop does the .psd. We just do the title. Photoshop handles the extension. All the applications handle the extension. We handle the name. Understand? So in a save as, I watch kids all the time highlight the whole thing. No, 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 no. Here, look what's highlighted. Just the name, the .psd. You don't touch this stuff. And I know I've told you guys that, but oh, and also when these dialog boxes open up, they typically open up like this. This is a truncated version of the dialog box. Okay, please understand, I want this open. I do not want, if it says hide extension, I do not want that checked. We want to see the extension, and you want to be able to see what's going on and be able to navigate to the correct folder. And here it's in your documents folder inside your home directory. That is the workflow I want you using right now because I want you to stay organized. Got it? Okay, now we have, oh, I'm not going to replace that. I'm going to cancel that because we don't need to save over the top of it because it's already saved. Let's go ahead and come back and start enhancing.